Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 197. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this top row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 8. 4 covering both of these boxes. So 7, 8, 7, 8. And that means that our 4 for that row has to be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 8. No help here, 1, 6, 8. And no help here, 1, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here and a 4 here. So this is our 3. That 4 makes this our 2. 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. No help here, 6, 7, 8. 7 here, so 6, 8. 6 and 7 here. That means this is our 8, 6, 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 8. We can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 4. 3 here, so 4, 8. 3 and 4 here. So this is our 8, 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 8, and no help here, 1, 6, 8. And for this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. That 1 makes this our 8, 1, 6. And that 6 makes this our 1, 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. Oh, and this 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this bottom row now, we've got 1 and 2. We're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.